Alright, so chapter 11. In chapter 10, Milan was sitting in film club. Myrna walked up to him, pressed her legs against him while she was sitting on his desk, and told him that he must let her know when he wants to play. So now this is Frankie's reaction to this whole situation. Dit klink of niemand in die klas asemhaal nie. Everyone stopped breathing. Ek staar met gloeiende oë na my boek, probeer agter my hare wegkruip wat teen my wange afsliert. So the only thing Frankie is doing is she's staring at her book, eyes are glowing, so she's quite upset and teary, and she's trying to hide behind her hair. Dan gee Daniel 'n lang wolwefluit, so he gives a long whistle. Miss Meyers het haar nails ingekap. She's hooked her nails. Haar merk is gemaak and she's made her mark. Sy stem spot. Ek kyk nie op nie, lees net my notas oor en oor. So the only thing Frankie can do while film club is still on is she continues to read her notes over and over and over again to try and stay calm until this class ends. The first underwater film was made by the brother Williamson. Bly kalm, bly kalm. The first underwater film was made by the brothers Williamson. Moenie roggel soos iemand wat versuip nie. She says, stop breathing like someone that's drowning. The first underwater film was made by the brothers Williamson. Hou jou cool. The first underwater film was made by the brothers Williamson. Jou naam is Frankie en jy skrik vir niks. Die skoolklok lui and then luckily the bell rings. En ek smyt my boeke in my rugsak en gee. So she doesn't pack her books carefully, she throws them into her bag and she walks out, gets away. Ek stap 'n ompad huis toe. 'n Ompad is not her normal route. She goes with a different way because she knows her normal route is past Gloria's Cafe where Milan lives, so he'll probably be waiting for her to discuss whatever happened in film club. So ek stap met 'n ompad huis toe om nie die vent se pad te kruis nie. Die vent is like the idiot, that guy. So she is referring to Milan. Waar die kwaad my in die klas versmoor het. So in class, versmoor is to feel suffocated, and she was so angry that she felt suffocated. Het daar nou net 'n sawwe kol agtergebly. There's just this big hurt feeling that stayed behind. My keel brand en my oë prik. So her throat's burning and her eyes, she can feel the tears in her eyes. Simple idiot, dis wat ek is. Stupid. Om te dink dat ek myself kon verbeel dat hy in my sou belangstel. She says I'm so stupid to have even thought for a second Milan would be interested in me. My cellphone piep in my baadjie sak. Ek gryp daarna en herken die nommer wat op 'n 705 eindig. So she recognizes his number. He sent her a message. Sonder om die boodskap te lees. So she doesn't even read his message. Druk ek die foon weer terug in my sak en sit die iPod se oorfone in my ore. Escape the fate, breek deur. This war is ours. Moes Milan soos 'n blerrie muis voor 'n slang in 'n trance bly sit het. She says, really, did he have to sit like a mouse in front of a snake in a trance? Could he not have stood up or walked away or done anything except just sitting there? Of het hy dit geniet om so deur Myrna Meyers bespring te word? Did he enjoy her, bespring is like to jump on someone. Did he actually enjoy this whole thing with her jumping on him or rubbing against him, sitting against him? Daniel se oë wat flits tussen my en Milan. Remember, Daniel is his only friend, Milan's only friend at school. And while this was going on, sy oë flits, his eyes kept looking between Frankie and Milan, as if he was waiting for one of them to react or to do something. Wat sou hy weet? Of gesels Milan oor meer as net kameras met Daniel? So she says, what does he know? Do they talk about more than just cameras? Has he discussed me or the fact that we like each other or could have been in a relationship? Ek mis 'n lamppaal rakelings. She almost walks into a lamppost. Stupid, sê ek kliphard en 'n padwerker se kop ruk op toe ek verby hom storm. So she says out loud, she says stupid, and a poor guy working on the roads, he lifts his head quickly. Sorry, I was not talking to you, sorry. Die ouerige werker vat met stowwerige eelthande aan sy geel hardehoed en sy glimlag breek spierwit deur. So it's an older man, and he takes with his dusty hands, he holds his yellow hard hat, and then he gives it this big smile. Okay, raak hy dit uit en lag diep agter in sy keel. Die ou man se warmte is een te veel vir my. She says his warmth, or the fact that he's so nice, is just one too much. Alright, so you guys know when you've had a bad day or something bad happened and someone just gives you a smile or touches your shoulder or asks you if you're okay, it's like the last straw. So this old man that's so nice to her and gives her this nice smile, she says that warmth is just too much. Ek begin huil. Hoe verder ek loop, hoe meer word die teerpad 'n donker rivier wat verby my vloei. So as she continues to walk, she says this tar road, because of all the tears, eventually becomes a dark river flowing next to her. In my ore bons die klanke van My Chemical Romance.